try some toxic gum. Toxic waste gum.
You ready?
Uh-oh, yellow. Uh-oh.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you sure you're ready?
Yeah.
Okay, look, sit right here. So Papa can see. Here, you hold it. Lucy, go sit down. Go over there. Like that.
Good? Huh? Is it good? What's wrong?
Stop it.
You like it? It's good. Don't swallow it. It's good? Huh?
Is it good?
Are you okay?
He just swallowed it.
You don't swallow it. No, no more.
He just
I want the paper.
You can't have any more.
No more,
oh,
Papa.
he just swallowed it.